Never ever let anyone tell you what you need or what you must buy.
Between concrete walls, there's a place for us. I wanna go, do you wanna follow?
Hola gente, what's up guys? Welcome to another Treatment Tuesday, where we test out a new hair treatment for the very first time on camera and we decide together whether it works or not. And today I'm going to test out this Mythic Oil Hair Mask by L'Oreal that you guys voted for. It promises to discipline, nourish, and illuminate the hair. So we're going to see if it actually does that. We're going to jump right into application, but before that, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss next week's episode of this series. And of course, a super quick shout out to the first commenter on my last video. Thank you so much for commenting and liking and just staying super active and involved in this tiny community of hair care addicts that we're building here. I'm gonna wear this to protect my beautiful new sweater, and as you guys know, I've already shampooed my hair with a very neutral drugstore shampoo. I never want to use any fancy shampoos when I'm making this Treatment Tuesdays videos. So in here we get 6.76 fluid ounces of product, which equals to 200 milliliters. Let's see how the product smells. I'm not sure how to describe this. Aromatherapy or like a very luxurious like spa massaging cream, something like that. It's a very intense yet relaxing scent, and the texture feels like a whipped mayonnaise, more or less. This is the normal to thin hair treatment. I was not sure which one to get because I consider my hair thick, but I've seen people with a lot thicker hair, so I'm not sure. And also they did not have that one. So there's not too much info in the L'Oreal site. It says that you can apply from the roots till the ends. I'm going out after this to a jazz club with my husband. We have our date night and I really don't want to look all greasy and stuff, so yeah, I want to keep it safe.
Feel the music, the rhythm, a heart on a mission. Can't fight the feeling and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose a control.
Alright, so the only site that I could find some info regarding the exposure time or the leave-on time for this hair mask was actually Ulta. There's really very little information about this hair mask elsewhere. Anyways, it says here that the leave-on time is 3 to 5 minutes. So I am going to set the timer, and while we're waiting, I'm going to go deeper into the product concept, the ingredients, and anything else that I find interesting for you guys to know about this hair mask. So it says here that this Mythic Oil Light Mask for normal to fine hair will nourish, detangle, and add shine, and it is a very luxurious professional product that will provide you with a smoother, shinier looking hair with a lightweight finish, which is also very, very important when it comes to oil treatments. You don't want it to look overly greasy, heavy. And the other very important thing that it says here, that it is paraben free and silicone free for those of you who hate silicones. And then about the ingredients, it says it has ginger oil and, let me read this because, osmanthus extract. So yeah, I have no idea what that is. And the other detail that I could find was on the L'Oreal UK site, and there it recommended the application to be from the root till the end and to sleep with this mask on, which is a little bit contradictory. The official leave-on time is 3 to 5 minutes, which is super quick for a hair treatment. So what I'm reading there between lines is, you know, the minimum time is 3 to 5 minutes, and then if you can do more time, then it's even better. It's really, really cold. I don't think it's a good idea for me to get sick. So if I'm gonna do that, I'm probably going to wait until springtime or summertime where I can get away with sleeping with my hair wet. And by the way, if you want me to test it out, you know, for a longer period of time, then just let me know in the comments below. And yes, we have spent 5 minutes chatting here, and now I am going to rinse this off thoroughly as the instructions say, and then I'm gonna come back and style my hair in front of you guys so that we can decide together what this mask did to my hair. I'll be right back. Alright, so very easy to rinse off. No biggie. So let's just start blow drying.
Got emotions, emotion, they all wanna go dance. Sweat in an ocean, and I'm not denying it, no. I'm here to lose all control. First time on the floor, but I'm into it. Nervous from my knees to my fingertips. I might have a broken heart, but I won't hold back tonight. Lights go.
Alright, so like I always say, guys, never ever let anyone tell you what you need or what you must buy. It's always up to you. You have a bright mind and you can absolutely think for yourselves. You have eyes to see the results of products, but most importantly, you are the absolute and ultimate best judge of what you need. That's why I always show you the application process and my final results even before I say my final conclusions. Of course, I do have to include my final conclusions always, because some of you guys have clicked in this video to hopefully you know, listen to my point of view, but I'm so far from being perfect and I can absolutely be wrong about these or any other products out there. So, you know, always take things with a grain of salt, just as a suggestion from a friend, and also who says I don't need your opinion. So it may come as a surprise to you guys, but I'm actually always looking forward to your comments. I can miss a few things, and it's always very valuable when you are in the comments and you pinpoint something that maybe I didn't, or maybe you disagree, or maybe I have a different need or a different hair type than yours, and it's really interesting for others scrolling down through the comments to find someone that tried the product but has a different hair type than me, and it's actually the same hair type as that other person. So there's so many reasons why you should comment down below that I just can't thank you enough if you do. And I have 2 questions for you guys. What do you think this product did to my hair, and which hair treatment should go next? So I'm not surprised that this mask performed quite well on me. Oils, they just typically agree with my hair, so it must be something that my hair is craving, and when I give it to it, it just thanks me in so many ways. The hair feels like deeply conditioned and restored without feeling heavy, so it's a very lightweight result. I really like that. It also does provide that very glossy effect on the hair without the silicones. If you're very picky about how your hair smells, I think you're going to love this fragrance. This is the hair mask that smells best out of all the other hair masks that I've tried so far this year. So to sum up, I would give it a 9 in shine, an 8 in how soft my hair feels. I still think that Maskeratine by Kerastase is like the queen. I realize that average is 850, but I will give this mask a 9 just because it delivers super fast. And I always think that with the hectic times that we live in, that is always a huge plus. And yeah, I can absolutely see myself repurchasing this mask once I'm done with this one, simply because it just seems to bring out the best in my hair in a natural way. Probably next time I would buy the normal to thick hair version. I'm kind of intrigued because I do like very thick and rich masks. So yeah, I think that's all I wanted to say for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. That is the ultimate goal that I have with every single one of my videos. Thank you for stopping by today, for hanging out with me here, and I will talk to you all again